Welcome to wizard.com. I'm maths teacher Aditi. We have this question here. If the point P for minus 41 comma 19 minus 19 divides the line segment joining A minus 45 comma minus 18 and B in the ratio 1 is to 8, find the coordinates of B. Now we know ratio formula is if P xy is dividing line segment joining A x1 y1 and B x2 y2 in a ratio m is to n, it's given by mx2 plus nx1 upon m plus n, comma my2 plus ny1 upon m plus n. These are the coordinates of point where x1 y1 and x2 y2 our coordinates and ratio is m is to n. Here we simply have to put the values. We are given P is minus 41 comma minus 19. We are given ratio is 1 is to 8. So 1 into x2 is we have to find out, plus 8 into x1 is minus 45 upon 1 plus 8 comma, let's see, 1 is to y2, we have to find out y2, plus 8 into 1 into y2, and this is 8 into y1 is minus 18, again 1 plus 8. Now we simply have to equate x coordinate with x coordinate and y coordinate with y coordinate to get the values of x2 and y2. So let's start with x2. So we have minus 41 equal to x2 plus 8 into minus 45 divided by 9. So let's see what we have. We have minus 41 into 9 equal to x2 plus 8 into minus 45. So what I'll do, I'll simply take 9 common out of here just to make my calculations easier. So x2 equal to minus 41 minus 41 multiplied by 9, and this will go over here, so it will be plus 9 into 8 into 5. So 8 5s are 40. So this is 9 into, wait, just for easier way to understand, let's see, minus 41 into 9 equal to x2 plus now 8 into minus 5 into 9. 45 can be written as minus 5 into 9, and since I am getting 9 common here, so I am going to keep 9 out and multiply 8 and 5. So we have minus 41 into 9 equal to x2 plus minus 40 into 9. So this will go over here on the left hand side, and we are left with x2 equal to minus 41 into 9 minus 40 into 9. So let's see, this will subtract on the left hand side, so I have subtracted. Now what I'll do, I'll take minus 9 common, and I have 41 minus 40. So I have minus 9. x2, value of x2 is minus 9. Similarly, we'll find value of y2, minus 19 equal to y2 plus 8 into minus 18 upon 8 plus 1 is 9. Again I'll do the same thing. I have minus 19 multiplied by 9 equal to y2 plus 8 multiplied by minus 18. So this will be minus 19 into 9 equal to y2 plus 8 multiplied by minus 2 multiplied by 9. Again I have 9 common. So what I'll do, I'll take this over to this side. It will subtract on the left hand side. So I have y2 equal to minus 19 into 9 minus 8 2s are 16. So minus 16 into 9. So I'll take minus 9 common out. I have not minus. I have taken minus 9. So 19 minus 16. So this is minus 9 into 3. So this is minus 27. So y2 is minus 27. So we get value of coordinates of B. Coordinates of B as minus 9 minus 27. This is the answer.